MFG Empire, nigga. Dollar for dollar.
Yeah, nigga.
You already know what it is.
Yeah, bitch.
Hey, yo, Gotti, what up? What up? Let's get it.
Yeah, I am.
Gang.
I never let my niggas down. Nah, I never put them choppers down.
Never.
Hit your bitch when I come in town. She ain't never let a nigga down.
She picked me up with her 2 friends. Menage in for the weekend. My pocket rocket never staying dead. 50 drum on the damn thing.
Blogs put a nigga business out. Knock him down, now switch him out. I got ops I don't know about. Stand on business, we don't talk about it.
Them boy they not tough for me, are the killer. Rise up, they gonna make it from bigger. Shot less and fierce, just like a filler. Shot I take off, land name liver.
We do real numbers, real shit, Benny Hunters. I take a nigga under. Watch 300, these the new Yeezy before they drop, yeah. Call them thunders. Jay say I got the thunder. Pray to God for the runners.
For real.
Whole pandemic, all I seen was snow. It's like I missed the summer. Put it on my mama.
Miss Betty.
Yo, Gotti, he a Hall of Fame drug dealer. Yo, Gotti, he be running around with real killers. Hush gang, he ain't front no fuck niggas.
Never.
Big stepper, we'll stun on you little niggas. Niggas say they slime, nobody dying though.
I like them, I tell you.
Your network in the 4, but what would they lying for?
I drew up them, I make.
Go dollar for dollar, shotter for shotter. We can go 30 for 30.
For real.
I'm scholarship got it. You gave a bitch a Birkin, I just gave her some knowledge.
I gave a trip to the track. Tell her to get on that bitch and get back. I'm by my money, my moolah, my fetty. The Benz them ready. Link up the dog, send them some matic. Pray for the talk, them we trapper no happy. Matic when me have enough up with they panic. Boy, I have to drop when this get the clapping. Niggas be lying. Too many niggas that's rapping, that's capping. Talking about bricks, they ain't never done had it. Talking about shooters, they never done been it. Shit, niggas be lying. So I'ma pull up and get out and dump it. Bet. These niggas start telling. I'm from the deuce, so you know we ain't bluffing. Park on you block and we get out and dump it. 100 round shot, y'all niggas can't duck it.
I'm knocking armor outside the field. Y'all niggas sick, y'all niggas ill. All of my niggas, you name it. Just bought into DC, you name it. I gave him the pack and he tanked it. 25 pints and he drank it. Just showed her my count and she fainted. Showed him the plug and he thanked me. Hey, Gotti, you low, you jank me. Little bitch just post me brainless. Rolls Royce, stainless. Made my neighborhood famous. Ridge crest for tourists. Hey, why your jewelry blurry? All my jewelry flawless. All my niggas thoughtless. None of my niggas sanctified, but they be throwing crosses. All my forges all set. All my diamonds factory set. That my little savage, I stamped that. My bitch like the same sex.
Mine too.
I see the same niggas doing the same shit every day. Different nigga, yeah, I had to go and make a way.
Facts.
Any day, it's another $1 million play. It's like 70 mil now, another 100 on the way.
Toe shoulder, cook it up, got a nigga on the way. Still 45 for the joint, come make a play.